Hello to everyone, especially to the students who wants to learn about trigonometry. I have here 1 and 2. So prove the following identities. So we have secant, tangent, cotangent, and so on. Okay? So let us review first the value of secant theta. Secant theta will be 1 over cosine theta. Then tangent theta will be equal to sine theta over cosine theta. How about cotangent theta? Cotangent will be reciprocal of tangent, 1 over tangent theta. And we know that tangent theta is sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, to simplify, this will be 1 times the upside down of the denominator sine theta over cosine theta. That will be cosine theta over sine theta. So, multiply. That will be cosine theta over sine theta. So, therefore, this is cosine theta over sine theta. Okay? Then, how about cosecant? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, that will be 1 over sine theta. Okay? So, I will start solving number 1. I will prove that left side and right side will be equal to 1. Okay? So, I will break this one. Secant theta, this will be 1 over cosine theta. Then, this will be over cosine theta minus. Tangent is sine theta over cosine theta. Cotangent is the reciprocal or the upside down of tangent. That will be cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, so simplify at the left side. So this will be 1 over cosine theta times the upside down of the denominator. So this will be over 1, right? So upside down will be 1 over cosine theta minus. Okay? Copy the numerator. So sine theta over cosine theta. Then change this division to multiplication. Then upside down of the denominator. So this will be sine theta over cosine theta. Note that this will be equal to 1, equal to 1. Okay. So multiply the numerators. 1 times 1. That will be 1. Then multiply the denominators. This will be cosine theta times cosine theta. That will be cosine squared theta. Minus. Okay. Minus. Multiply the numerators. That will be sine squared theta. Then multiply so the denominators. This will be cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Then LCD. LCD will be cosine squared theta because they have the same denominators for group 1 and group 2. So divide, that will be 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? Minus cosine squared divided by cosine squared, that is 1 times sine squared. So this will be sine squared theta is equals to 1. Okay? Okay, note. From our identity, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Now, what is the value of 1 minus sine squared theta? So, let us simplify this one. So, transpose sine squared to the right. So, this will be cosine squared theta is equals to 1. This will be minus sine squared theta. So, meaning, the value of the numerator is cosine squared theta. So, this is cosine squared theta over the denominator. Cosine squared theta is equals to 1. So, the same numerator-denominator, that will be 1. So, 1 is equals to 1. So, number 1 is correct. Okay? I will solve number 2. Okay, number 2 is cosecant squared theta times tangent, this is theta. Tangent theta There is minus 1 equals tangent squared theta. Am I correct? Okay. This is tangent squared also. Okay. So, break this one. This will be 1 over sine squared theta. Okay? Then times tangent. What is tangent? Sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. This will be minus 1 is equals to tangent squared theta. Okay, sine squared theta will be crossed out. Then I have now 1 over cosine squared theta minus 1 is equal to tangent squared theta. Then I will find the LCD. LCD will be cosine squared theta. Divide, that will be 1. Because 1 times 1, that is 1. Then divide, there is 1 in here. That is cosine squared times 1. This will be cosine squared theta. This equal to tangent squared theta. Okay. Tangent squared theta. Okay. What is 1 minus cosine squared? Again, note that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. So this will be sine squared theta. I will transpose cosine squared. So this will be minus cosine squared theta. So meaning the value of the numerator is sine squared theta. So this is sine squared theta over cosine squared theta equals tangent squared theta. So meaning the ratio of sine squared theta over cosine squared theta, that will be tangent squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. So they are equal. So meaning number 2 is correct. That's all. Thanks for watching.